realize what you're capable of. You quit taking those drugs, leave it and take it as love. Sleep or wake the fuck up. It's a hard enough time trying to make it out without another stranger to trust. See, not too long ago, before I finally got the good news, you can always press record, but you can never click undo. It made me think, I guess I have to plan before I sink into the sand, cause in a blink I could lose everything. So what more can I say? Yesterday is history and I'm reborn today. And with the guidance from my friends and the support from those I hold dear, find me on the other side of the fence when the smoke clears.
It's that bad moon darkness, waiting on the harvest. Vacuum the past, do karma from my carpet. Break the harness, escape from the sharks, just to argue about whose pavement was the hardest. This narcissistic heart skips, but it's harmless, so let's get this pity party started. Survive the suicide, hanging from the armrest. I'm trying to stay smart and sharpen up the dark tips. I gotta play my part till I'm departed, then you can bury my carcass on the inside of the margins. Plant my soul in your